Hi, my name is Tang. Hope you're doing well and welcome to the channel. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at the top 10 best cashback cards of 2022. Now, I personally love cashback because it's so simple to use. There's often no annual fees, and they're a great way to earn hundreds to even thousands of dollars for you to save and invest in your future happiness. Now, to some extent, I am just skimming the surface when it comes to explaining these cards, so if you'd like a deeper dive into each one, feel free to check out the other videos here on this channel or those linked in the top right-hand corner. I've also organized the 10 cards into 5 separate categories, so if you'd like to skip to one of them, please use the timestamps down below to save you some extra time. Without further ado, let's get started. So starting off, if you are new to credit or if you have a poor credit score, a secured credit card could be a great option for you. These are credit cards that use your cash deposit as collateral to help you build your credit score. Now, the best secured card out there, in my opinion, is the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Rewards. Simply make a $200 deposit to open an initial credit line, and with responsible credit card use, like making payments on time, you can actually earn your full deposit back. And best of all, it has no annual fee, and you'll be earning 1.5% unlimited cash back on all purchases, which is just absolutely amazing because most secured cards don't even offer any rewards. Now, what makes this card so special is that if you demonstrate good credit card habits like paying everything on time, Capital One may upgrade you to the unsecured version, the Capital One Quicksilver, which offers a much higher traditional credit limit. So this is a great option for those of you who are new or rebuilding your credit score because you'll also finish with a solid flat 1.5% cashback card to keep long term. Now, if you have a higher credit score, you should be looking at getting at least 2% cash back on all purchases. And what better card to get than the Wells Fargo Active Cash? It comes with a $200 sign-up bonus after spending just $1,000 in the first 3 months. It has no annual fee, and you'll be earning 2% unlimited cash back on absolutely everything. It also comes with up to $600 in cell phone protection, making this one of the best flat rate cashback cards of 2022. Now onto what I call the flexible earners. These are cards that offer great cashback rates on a larger variety of categories. And one of the best is the Capital One Saver One Rewards credit card. You earn $200 sign-up bonus after spending just $500 in the first 3 months, making it really easy to hit. You also earn 3% on dining, 3% on groceries, 3% on entertainment, and 3% on streaming. It also comes with no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, making this a great card to use when traveling abroad. Now, if you are someone who spends a lot on groceries, the American Express Blue Cash Preferred could be the right card for you. It earns 6% on grocery store purchases on up to $6,000 per year, 6% on streaming, 3% on transit, and 3% on gas purchases. Now, the card does come with a $95 annual fee, but it is waived for the first year. It also comes with a solid $350 sign-up bonus after you spend $3,000 in the first 6 months, making this a great card, especially for the first year sign-up offer. And now we finally reached the gold mine of credit cards, the 5% category cards. And this is my favorite type because they offer so much value, and you can mix and match how you need in order to maximize your savings. The only downside is that while some of the cards allow you to pick what category you want 5% cash back in, other cards have rotating quarterly categories that are pre-selected by the bank. With all that said though, these are amazing no annual fee cards, and they can really boost your savings every single year. And one of the best is the US Bank Cash Plus. You earn 5% cash back on the first $2,000 in purchases each quarter in 2 categories of your choosing. And some of the best categories include TV, internet and streaming, cell phone providers, home utilities, which is especially amazing, electronic stores, and ground transportation. There's no annual fee, and you can earn a $200 bonus after spending just $1,000 in the first 4 months. And next up is the Discover It cash back. You earn 5% cash back on the first 1,500 each quarter in rotating quarterly categories. The categories for 2022 include grocery stores and gym memberships right now, gas stations, Target, restaurants, PayPal, Amazon, and digital wallets. It has no annual fee and can be used abroad with no foreign transaction fees. And best of all, Discover will match all the cash back you earn in the first year, so those 5% categories are effectively worth 10% cash back for the first 12 months. And another very popular option is the Chase Freedom Flex. And like the Discover card, it offers 5% cash back on the first 1,500 spent each quarter in rotating quarterly categories. You also earn 5% on travel purchases through the Chase Travel Portal, 3% on dining, and 3% at drugstores. It has no annual fee and perhaps the best sign-up bonus with $200 after spending just $500 in the first 3 months. It also offers 5% on gas station purchases right now on up to $6,000 spent in the first year. All in all, one of my absolute favorites. And last, but certainly not least, it's the Citi Custom Cash. And it was actually the best credit card of 2021, offering 5% cash back on your highest eligible spend category on up to $500 per month. These categories include valuable ones such as dining, groceries, gas stations, and travel. It has no annual fee and comes with a great sign-up offer of $200 after spending just $750 in the first 3 months. And definitely check out our dedicated video here on this channel for more information, because this is one of the best cards of 2022 right now. And now we have the final category, which is geared more towards higher net worth individuals, especially if you own over $100,000 in investable assets like stocks and bonds. And these cards take advantage of the Bank of America Preferred Rewards program, where if you hold more money with Bank of America or Merrill Lynch, they will offer you some amazing credit card rewards. So if you qualify for Bank of America Platinum Honors, one of the best cards out there is the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards. And this card would offer you 2.62% unlimited cash back, which is really high. It has no annual fee and a solid $200 sign-up offer after spending just $1,000 in the first 3 months. So this amazing flat rate cashback card would easily top all of the 2% cards out there if you do hold a considerable amount of assets with Bank of America or Merrill Lynch. Additionally, the Bank of America customized cash rewards would be absolutely overpowered. You would earn 5.25% in the category of your choice, including gas, online shopping, travel, dining, and home improvement. You would also earn 3.5% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs. Now, this card is capped on the first 2,500 in combined category, wholesale, and grocery store purchases each quarter, but this is still an absolutely overpowered card if you do qualify. It's also a Visa card, so it's an even better card than the Costco credit card if you do qualify for Platinum Honors. So altogether, these are the top 10 best cashback cards of 2022. I really hope this video is helpful for you to pick out which cards might be added into your wallet in the future. And just keep in mind, I did only scratch the surface, so if you'd like a deeper dive, feel free to check out the other videos here on this channel and subscribe if you have not already done so. And if you have, thank you so much. Also, let me know down in the comments if you find this type of video helpful and whether I should make this a routine every so often. With all that said, thank you so much and hope you find the perfect credit card for you. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay awesome. Take care.